Section 126 of the Representation of People Act 1951. We have instructed District Election Officer North to initiate proper legal action.
On that?
Yes.
They were trying to take press conferences and all. They were not permitted, it seems, or not allowed or something because of that this is over. Timing.
See, issue is that right now it is a silence period.
Correct.
So law is applicable for everyone.
Yeah.
So there is no question of giving anyone permission or anything, which is nothing permitted in law.
Yeah.
126 RP Act is very clear, and this is what on the basis of complaint some action has been initiated.
No, but the elections are voting is another one within a day time now, sir. So how sooner this report or whatever action would be taken? Any this it should be done soon as possible?
Yes, already the matter has been escalated to Election Commission, and this one, the video from the YouTube, it will be taken down, hopefully. There is a clear code of conduct by the social media platforms. Once it comes...
so you have already instructed YouTube?
We have initiated there is a standard operating procedure for such kind of matters. So we have already sent it to Media Division for necessary action.
And you are also investigating on this video?
That already District Election Officer North has been instructed to initiate action against this.
But by when the report or this could come on this before voting takes place, or what? Or it is up to the procedure?
It's this thing. There is a clear 126 RP Act. I would request all of you to go through it.
Yeah.
So we have initiated action under that particular section.
Sir, money also seen in that video.
Is there a possibility of disqualification of these four candidates which are there?
We can't answer any conjecture basically. Whatever is possible under 126 of Representation of People Act, that only we can.
But if proven guilty, then they disqualify?
This kind of possibilities we can't discuss. Yeah.
No, but
sir, money also I have seen that video, whatever video they have uploaded on YouTube. So what do you want to say on this?
See, right now we are concerned with 126 violation.
What is the total 126 is, sir?
It's no campaign, no election, no person can do any kind of campaign or broadcast on TV or any theatre. So some very strict provisions are there.
So you are following that 126?
Yes, so which has been violated.
Okay.
Because in this thing, 48-hour ban period, silence period specifically, something has been aired.
So you are looking on to that concerned channel who has violated this?
Because that is a subject matter of investigation. We have initiated a complaint with the instructed district election officer to file a complaint with the police. So
against the concerned person, against the concerned channel? Whosoever
will be there. It's a matter of investigation. Yes. So I can't comment on what will come out of investigation.
Otherwise the campaigning has ended today since we have...
Yes, it has ended at 6 p.m.
Yeah.
Very clear.
So how it has been, sir, in the last few days for election officials? Working day, night. We have seen you now. This is midnight now. You are still working, and your whole office staff.
Yes, so we are committed to ensure level playing field for everyone, and side by side we are monitoring preparations by all the polling officials, district election officers. Now EVM movement has to take place. Polling officers have to go to the field, then find monitoring of all the movements we have to do. We are on track of everything, and we are hoping that this election is going to be very festive for everyone, and people will enjoy the improved facility. And let me tell you a few things. Although pink polling station, that is all women managed polling stations, are 105 in number, which is very high. Earlier we used to have one in every constituency. This time we are having more than that. We are having Divyang polling station in 8 constituencies. Similarly, this time we are going to have green polling stations, eco-friendly polling stations at around 11 places. So a lot of new things we are doing, and we request all the voters to come and celebrate the festival of democracy without any fear, favor. Now all the information about candidates are available in KYC app. Don't fall for any rumor, and any rumor is coming. I request media friends, already we have done enough sensitization work. Anything which comes unverified, calling you, we are witnessing some WhatsApp forwards, we are addressing to those that please verify, apply your educational background, and then lot of fact checks websites are there, and all our instructions are in public domain.
Okay.
Then verify with those facts and don't fall for any rumor. Second, when you vote, vote ethically, without any fear or favor, and use KYC app. That is my appeal to everyone.
So one more thing is that since we are here now, another 1 day's time voting, which are the sensitive areas? Because you must have identified now.
Yes.
Everything must be in place for you. So which are the sensitive areas?
That is
constituencies.
That is favor. Now all the information about candidates are available in KYC app. Don't fall for any rumor. And any rumor is coming. I request media friends. Already we have done enough sensitization work. Anything which comes unverified, calling you, we are witnessing some WhatsApp forwards. We are addressing to those that please verify. Use apply your educational background, and then lot of fact checks websites are there, and all our instructions are in public domain.
Okay.
Then verify with those facts and don't fall for any rumor. Second, when you vote, vote ethically, without any fear or favor, and use KYC app. That is my appeal to everyone.
So one more thing is that since we are here now, another 1 day's time voting, which are the sensitive areas? Because you must have identified now.
Yes.
Everything must be in place for you. So which are the sensitive areas?
That is
constituencies.
That is not to be disclosed. And we are having full arrangements for free, fair and peaceful election. And as you know, so far we have touched, our Caesar have touched 11.48 crores, which is more than double the last election. That way we are on alert. Our central forces are there, or our teams of income tax department, transport department, GST, including 81 flying squads, static surveillance team, and so many observers. We all are in field, and we request every voter to come in large number and bring everyone, whosoever is having some kind of issue, and more so for person with disability or senior citizens who want some assistance. They are free to call on 1950. Even I am getting some personal call that there are some issues they are facing. We suggested that yes, we'll send our team to pick you up so that you can come and cast your vote.
So any complaint has been filed in MOPSA regarding the money
distribution of money or something late night, in the evening, late in the evening today?
That you have to find from the district election officer or returning officer.
You have not got the report.
I will.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.